Have you ever wondered why oceans cover more than 70% of our Earth's surface? Imagine a world that stretches far beyond our sight, a realm so vast it makes up more than 70% of our planet. This is the world of the ocean. It's not just a large body of water, it's an intricate network of life and processes, all working together in a delicate balance. The ocean holds a significant influence on our planet. It regulates our climate, acting as a giant sponge, absorbing heat and redistributing it around the globe. It also provides us with an abundance of food and oxygen, making it a critical component of life as we know it. Moreover, the ocean serves as a major transportation route, connecting continents, cultures, and economies. Ships laden with goods traverse these vast waters every day, making our modern way of life possible. Indeed, the ocean is not just a large body of water, it is a complex and vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Beneath the ocean's surface lies an incredible diversity of life. This realm, invisible to us land dwellers, is teeming with an astounding variety of creatures, each playing a unique role in this watery world. Let's start small, with the microscopic plankton. They might be tiny, but they're mighty important. These little drifters are the foundation of the ocean food chain, acting as the primary food source for a multitude of marine species. They're also the ocean's lungs, producing more than half of the world's oxygen through photosynthesis. Imagine that, something so small, yet so vital to our very existence. From the minuscule, we move to the massive. The blue whale, the largest creature on Earth ever. Stretching up to 100 feet long, these gentle giants subsist largely on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Yes, the biggest animal on our planet feeds on one of the smallest. That's the magic of the marine food chain. In between these extremes, we find a rich tapestry of life. Fish of every imaginable size, shape, and color, darting and weaving through the ocean's depths. Majestic sea turtles gracefully cruising the currents. Playful dolphins, intelligent and social. Mysterious sharks, the ocean's apex predators, keeping the ecosystem in balance. Each organism, from the tiniest plankton to the towering blue whale, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this underwater ecosystem. They're all interconnected, part of a grand, intricate web of life. Remove one link from this chain, and the consequences ripple through the entire system. The ocean's biodiversity is a testament to the amazing adaptability of life. It's a world where the smallest and largest creatures can thrive, where the most colorful and the most camouflaged find their place. But this diversity also underscores the delicate balance that must be maintained. This intricate web of life, so full of wonder and beauty, is a precious resource, one that we must strive to protect and preserve for future generations. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. These underwater wonderlands are home to a spectacular array of organisms, from microscopic plankton to colossal whales. But it's not just about size. The diversity of species found here is truly astonishing. Take a moment to picture this. In one single reef, you could encounter over 2,000 different species of fish, each with its own unique role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem. That's more than double the number of mammal species found throughout the entire world. And it's not just fish. Coral reefs also host hundreds of types of corals, countless invertebrates, and an array of other marine life that all contribute to this explosion of life. This incredible biodiversity is what earns coral reefs their moniker as the rainforests of the sea. But these reefs aren't just an underwater spectacle. They play a crucial role in supporting around a quarter of all marine species. This makes them indispensable to the health of our oceans and our planet as a whole. Coral reefs also have a profound impact on human life. They are vital to our economies, supporting tourism and fisheries around the globe. Imagine the crystal-clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef teeming with life, or the vibrant colors of the coral gardens in the Maldives. These are not only awe-inspiring sights for tourists, but also important sources of income and jobs for local communities. Moreover, coral reefs act as natural barriers, protecting our coastlines from the damaging effects of waves and storms. They are nature's way of safeguarding us against the fury of the sea. Yet, despite their importance, coral reefs are under threat. But that's a story for the next scene. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are vital to the health of our planet. Let's remember this as we continue our journey through the mesmerizing world of marine ecosystems. Despite their importance, our oceans face a multitude of threats, a stark reality that's increasingly shaping the narrative of our marine ecosystems. The first major threat, overfishing, is akin to removing bricks from a building. As we pull more and more fish from the oceans, the intricate marine food web begins to unravel, destabilizing the entire ecosystem. Then there's pollution, an insidious threat that's often invisible to the naked eye. It comes in many forms: plastics that choke sea life, toxic chemicals that contaminate the waters, and even noise pollution that disrupts the communication of marine species. These pollutants not only harm the creatures that inhabit our oceans, but also seep into the food chain, potentially impacting human health. Of all the threats, though, climate change is perhaps the most pervasive. Rising temperatures are causing sea levels to swell, threatening coastal habitats. Meanwhile, the oceans are absorbing a significant amount of the excess heat and carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, leading to ocean warming and acidification. This isn't just damaging to marine life, it's devastating. Coral reefs, the very backbone of our oceans, are bleaching and dying at an alarming rate, while many species are being pushed to the brink of extinction. But what happens when the balance of these ecosystems is disrupted? The consequences, if left unchecked, are severe. Marine species loss can lead to a decline in ocean health and productivity, which in turn affects human communities, especially those that rely on the sea for their livelihoods. And let's not forget, our oceans are the world's largest carbon sink, playing a crucial role in mitigating climate change. If we destabilize our oceans, we risk exacerbating the very climate crisis we're trying to solve. The threats to our oceans are real and urgent, and they demand our attention. It's not just about saving the whales or the coral reefs, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Because ultimately, the fate of our oceans and our own future are inextricably linked. The good news is, it's not too late to save our oceans. You see, across the globe, individuals, communities, and organizations are making concerted efforts to conserve and protect our precious marine ecosystems. One of the most effective strategies is the establishment of marine protected areas, or MPAs. Think of these as national parks, but underwater. These sanctuaries are designed to safeguard critical habitats and species, allowing marine life to thrive undisturbed. From the vibrant Great Barrier Reef Marine Park in Australia to the vast Papahanaumokuakea Marine National Monument in the United States, MPAs play a crucial role in preserving the rich biodiversity of our oceans. Meanwhile, sustainable fishing practices are gaining traction. Overfishing has long been a threat to marine life, but now we're seeing a shift towards more responsible methods. By implementing quotas, reducing bycatch, and avoiding destructive fishing techniques, we can ensure that fish populations remain healthy and robust. It's a win-win situation. We get to enjoy the bounty of the sea without depleting its resources. Then there's the role of science. Researchers are constantly exploring new ways to understand and protect our oceans. From studying the complex relationships within marine food webs to developing innovative technologies for cleaning up plastic pollution, scientific research is at the forefront of ocean conservation. And let's not forget about restoration efforts. Coral reef restoration, for instance, involves growing corals in nurseries and then transplanting them onto damaged reefs. This helps to speed up recovery and brings us one step closer to reviving these vital ecosystems. So you see, saving our oceans is a multifaceted endeavor. It involves not only protecting and preserving what we have, but also repairing and rejuvenating what has been damaged. And it requires the collective effort of everyone, from marine biologists and policymakers to fishermen and everyday citizens. Conservation is not just about saving the oceans, it's about securing our future. After all, healthy oceans mean a healthy planet. And a healthy planet is the best legacy we can leave for the generations to come. You might wonder, what can I do to help? Well, the good news is, you can play a significant role in ocean conservation. Here's how. Firstly, reduce your plastic use. It's no secret that our oceans are choking on plastic, so let's cut down on those single-use items. Opt for reusable shopping bags, water bottles, and straws. Every bit helps. Secondly, support sustainable seafood. Overfishing is a major threat to marine life, so next time you're buying fish, check for a sustainability label. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Finally, raise awareness. Talk about the importance of ocean conservation with your friends, family, and community. Share knowledge, inspire others, and encourage collective action. Remember, the health of the oceans is in our hands. Every action counts. Together, we can safeguard our oceans and the life they support for generations to come.